Welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. Most of us have been to China many times. You must have to know the Chinese government have introduced new financial policies. Now your bank account's being watched by the government authorities. See the details in this video. So let's start with some questions. Do you visit China so often? Do you have any business activities in China? Do you own any bank account in China? Are you using Alipay, WeChat Pay or UniPay services? If yes, then it's not a good news for you. Let me explain you why. On November 5, 2019, People's Bank of China issued a draft version of notice concerning the large cash sum transactions in the banks. According to this new ruling, the large sum cash usage situation for individual accounts will be monitored and investigated. Pilot project is launched at Hebei Province, Zhejiang Province, and Shenzhen Municipality. Let's discuss the background, why the government have to make these new rules. In China, recent few years, very heavy transactions by cashless resources like mobile pay, WeChat Pay, and Alipay used to pay dues. Not only local Chinese, but many foreigners also started to use these services. This ended up in a big volume of non-tax paid transactions. Moreover, heavy cash transactions for illegal activities like corruption, money laundering and tax evasions also reported in China. This is not all. Other than above, very heavy cash transactions in real estate sectors were also reported. These reports forced Chinese government to take some serious actions against non-documented transactions and money transfers. Now, let me inform you the threshold amounts, as per this new ruling. There are two types of bank accounts in China. First one is corporate account, other one is individual account. As per new rulings, for corporate accounts, related measures will apply if the amount of funds exceeds 5 lakh yuan. That is approximately $71,625. For individual accounts, different provinces have different limit. If you are in Happy Province, then the threshold amount goes to 1 lakh yuan, that is approximately $14,325. If you are in Zhejiang Province, then the limit is 3 lakh yuan, approximately $42,975. And if you are in Shenzhen, the limit is 2 lakh yuan, approximately $28,650. The above-mentioned limits are applicable on all cash deposits, cash withdrawals, and interbank transfers. Here, another question comes into mind, that which industries are focused by the government. So, let's have a quick look on them. In Hebei Province, major sector that is in government watch list is real estate. In Zhejiang Province, major surveillance sectors are wholesales, retail sales, real estate, constructions and car sales. In Shenzhen Municipality, individual cash operations, business, and individual accounts related to same owner, cross-border RMB cash flows. In the last, let me bring into your knowledge that which authorities are going to execute this ruling. The local governments, the development and reforms departments, fiscal department, local tax department, and finance supervision department. Let me conclude my words. In general, large sum cash transactions are still allowed, as long as you operate in accordance with the laws and regulations. But when the measures are implemented, your large sum operations will be under supervision more or less. So, it's time to pay attention, especially if you use individual accounts in business. Stay safe. Let other friends also know about this ruling. Like this video. Subscribe our channel. Thanks.